What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Wi-Fi QR code on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To create a Wi-Fi QR code, open up your mobile browser and search for QR code generators. Many links will pop up on the search results. Although you can go with any of these, we recommend to use this QR code generator. A link to this page is in the video description. Once you land on the homepage, select Wi-Fi from the given list of categories. Now, proceed to enter your Wi-Fi network's SSID and password in the respective fields. In case you don't know these, there's no need to worry. An SSID is basically your Wi-Fi network name. To find the exact information you need to enter, open your Settings app and go to Wi-Fi. Here, your currently connected Wi-Fi name will be the SSID to be used in the QR code generator. Enter this name in the SSID field on the QR code generator page. Once done, proceed to enter the password. You can find your password in the previous settings page. Just tap the eye icon and tap on the password field. Your device will prompt you to authenticate yourself. When this is done, your password will be visible and you can copy and paste it back in the QR code generator password field. Once done, tap on Generate QR Code. Your QR code will be generated and you'll also be given some customization features to apply to your default QR code to make it more personalized. To confirm if this QR code works, you can scan it with another mobile device's camera and try it out yourself. Now, to download and save this QR code, simply tap on the download button and you will soon be prompted to download the QR code. Tap on download once asked and there you go. Your very own Wi-Fi QR code is safely stored in your downloads folder. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.